Withdrawing funds held by Lyft is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully access your earnings. Step 1. Log into your Lyft account. Open a Lyft app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your earnings. Once logged in, find the earnings section in the app or website. This is typically located in the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. In the earnings section, look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as cash out or withdraw funds. Step 4. Choose your payment method. Select your preferred payment method for receiving the funds. Options may include direct deposit to your bank account or transfer to a payment service like PayPal. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your selected payment method. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.